let's put a little bit of definition around unattended deliveries, just so we're all on the same page. Unattended deliveries are those that are performed, at your customer's after-hour times. So in many cases, it's middle of the night. There's no customer representation there, so the driver, basically is on his own to make that delivery. So the question is, are you doing those unattended deliveries? And if you do, what percentage of your deliveries or your stops are these unattended deliveries? It's good to know from a baseline perspective, what that percentage is, because then that can help you understand, from a customer disputes perspective, are your unattended deliveries significantly higher with customer disputes than your attended deliveries? And in many cases, what we hear from our customers is that, those are, because the big question is, how do you prove what was, or how do you, generate enough proof of delivery when there's nobody there to, confirm what your driver has done? So obviously the key to this is gathering data. It's hard to do without an electronic proof of delivery solution, but when you've got that in place, there are so many different factors that can be captured to provide proof of delivery. Tracking, the arrival and departure times of the route driver, being able to scan cases or pallets during the delivery to confirm what's being delivered, dealing with, capturing your over, short, and damaged information, at least from the driver's perspective, if damaged product is there, whatever else, being able to provide those details of, hey, here's what you ordered, here's what you actually received, and then backing that up with notes and pictures in the event that there are issues related to the delivery. And as I mentioned before, that could also account for taking pictures of the condition of a particular store. If the night, staff did a poor job of organizing the cooler or the freezer or whatever it is, your stop time may take longer. There could be other issues where it doesn't look like the driver performed the job the way he did, but he would have the ability to capture details around that, again, as backup to what was actually occurring. And then on completion of that delivery, being able to not only print a mobile receipt with those details of the delivered versus what was ordered, being able to email that off to the appropriate folks at those customers, so that when that delivery is complete, they got the email, they could basically see it on the timestamp of that email, what the timing was, as well as all the details and notes associated with that. So again, understanding what your percentages are, how many unattended versus attended deliveries, what are the disputes that you're dealing with, and what do those disputes cost? Because if that is a significant percentage of your business, then investing in electronic proof of delivery to help eliminate some of those disputes could really pay off. What we've seen is that implementing a solution like Mobile Conductor for proof of delivery has the ability to reduce those customer disputes for unattended deliveries by over 50%, and in some cases that could be as high as 70 or 80%. Again, because of the detail that's there, it just eliminates the need for an argument or an issue with the customer. And obviously in that process, customer service, customer satisfaction is going to improve, because they know they can trust what you're doing based on the data that you can provide them.